How can we use professionalism to influence others? Professionalism is a combination of specialized knowledge, skills, and behaviors that enables someone to succeed in their work role. When some of us hear the word professionalism, we think of professional dress and manners. But it's more than that. It also means going above and beyond the minimum requirements of your role, being respectful and honest in your interactions with others, and managing your social network and reputation. Power and influence exist only within social relationships. So, our ability to develop high-quality relationships has a direct effect on our ability to develop power. Who should we get to know? Everyone from our employees to experts in our field. These relationships are the foundation of power and influence. Unfortunately, some managers don't take the time to build professional relationships with key stakeholders, and they can't succeed without these connections. High-quality relationships require time, effort, and genuine concern for others. In other words, you get out of relationships what you put into them. You can rely on these evidence-based strategies to help you develop relationships. These strategies include management by walking around, impression management, and social network expansion. The first strategy is to practice management by walking around. This simply means walking around your organization, observing and talking with other employees. Make an effort to speak to as many people as possible and learn their names. Learn about their jobs and find out what they need to do their jobs better. This strategy works because managers are more visible to their employees and they learn about the inner workings of the organization. The second strategy is to make a positive first impression. Prepare a brief introduction with your name, role, and something to help others remember you by. Use a firm handshake to introduce yourself and share a business card that reflects your style. Repeat new names several times and associate them with something about the person. And show appreciation for people's time by thanking them for chatting with you. The third strategy is to sample employees' jobs by actually doing some of the work. This will help you understand their perspectives by walking a mile in their shoes. It will also help you relate to them and show genuine concern for their well-being. The fourth strategy is to expand your social network. This is beneficial because we can learn from our contacts, turn to them for guidance and support, and share resources with them. It also helps us build power and social influence. Every time you add a person to your network, you potentially add their entire network to your own. Managers should extend their networks beyond their teams, departments, and organizations. A great way to meet people in your industry is to join a networking organization and practice some of the other strategies we've learned about in this video. The final strategy is to manage your online reputation. More and more organizations use social media to make hiring and promotion decisions. Your profiles should reflect who you are in reality, not some ideal version of yourself. Highlight your professional qualifications and accomplishments without stretching the truth. Together, these 5 strategies can help managers develop the power they need to influence others and get the job done.